To assemble the stationary barrier, place appropriately designated spots on the ground, drill those spots, nail the steel insertion piece in, rotate posts which will be carried by steel insertion pieces clockwise and mount them in. After you unlock carrier locks of the mounted post, put them on the carriers and lock them in. To assemble the compressive post barrier, steer the post through sideways into the concrete and rotate the clamp lever clockwise to finish the clamping sequence. Then, unlock the carrier locks on the posts, put them on barrier carriers and lock them in. To assemble the area restricting barriers, first unlock the carrier locks on the freestanding posts, then put them on barrier carriers and lock them in. To assemble the stationary stair rails, drill holes on the staircase in appropriate distances, put steel insertion pieces in, screw the carrier posts in, then respectively place adjustable kick plate and 2 connection arms on the carriers and lock them in place. To assemble the compressive posted stair rails, steer the compressive post through sideways into the staircase and rotate the clamp lever clockwise to finish clamping sequence. Then, place adjustable kick plate and 2 connection arms on the carriers and lock them in place.